Hi, this is attorney James Miller from Miller and Miller, and welcome to another Miller Minute. Today, we're going to talk about discharging taxes in bankruptcy. And this is a very complex issue. And here at Miller and Miller, we always try to make it as simple as possible. But the first thing that I want to make you aware of is that you can discharge certain taxes in bankruptcy. Many times people come to me and say, I was told I can't get rid of my taxes in bankruptcy. That's not true. So when you come to Miller and Miller and you say you have a tax problem, we're going to do a tax discharge analysis because timing with discharging taxes is everything. So as a general rule, as long as your taxes are due from more than 3 years ago prior to filing bankruptcy, and your taxes have been assessed at least 2 years ago, we may be able to discharge your taxes in bankruptcy. When you come to us, I'm going to direct you on how to get your tax transcripts. We're going to send you to the IRS website, get those tax transcripts. You'll bring those tax transcripts to us. We're going to do a tax discharge analysis. We use a program called Tax Discharge Determinator, which when we input your tax transcripts and all the codes that show up on your tax transcripts, we're going to input those into our system, and it's then going to kick out what we call the magic date. So the magic date is the date where you qualify to file a bankruptcy to discharge the maximum amount of taxes. So when I say timing is everything, when we input, let's say you owe taxes from 2017. I'm going to input your tax transcripts for tax year 2017, and it's going to tell me that as of today's date, you qualify to discharge those taxes. And I'm going to get a smiley face, and it's going to say, we can file bankruptcy as of this date. Alternatively, the tax discharge determinator may tell me that you qualify to file taxes 30 days from now or 60 days from now. It is so critical that we do the tax discharge determinator because I want to make sure that when we work to discharge your taxes, that we're going to file it at a time that is going to discharge the maximum amount. So I may be able to discharge 4 years of taxes as of today's date. But when I do the tax discharge determinator, it could tell me wait 6 months or wait a year to file, and we're going to be able to discharge 5 or 6 years of taxes. So timing is everything. Getting all the information is critical. And I really want to urge you, if you owe tax debt, don't go forward with the belief that you can't get rid of taxes in bankruptcy. We do it all of the time. And if we can't discharge your taxes in bankruptcy, we're going to be able to do an offer and compromise. We're going to be able to set you up on a payment plan. Or if perhaps you're not employed or on disability or on unemployment, we may be able to put you into an uncollectible status that's going to keep the IRS or the state of Wisconsin off of your back. So there's a ton we can do. First thing to do is to call Miller and Miller at 414-316-3555. That's 414-316-3555. If you have tax debt, call today. My assistant who answers the phone will set up an appointment with you as early as today, and we're going to put the tax debt nightmare behind you and really help you move forward towards getting rid of your tax liability, getting you a fresh start, and getting you to that 720 credit score that you've always dreamed about. Thank you.